everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So if you are a beginner, here I am making these videos for you because I know you want to speak this language and somehow you have some responsibility on your shoulders. That's why you are unable to speak. And somehow I can say that you are just excuse to yourself that I don't have proper time to give this language. So here I just comes to you very few tips that I follow to improve my English speaking journey, and that's helped me a lot. So be in this video because I know this video will helpful for you. So are you very, what can I do? Do you really want to speak this language? Yes, I know you really want to speak this language and you feel also like this. Sometimes I always try to speak this language, but somehow I just stuck my which vocabulary I have to use in that. Okay, so after that I will fix it all the things, but I am making this videos for housewives as a beginner if you did not start your English speaking journey. So here I have a 7 tips for you and you can use that and you can change your English speaking journey and you can improve that. The first thing is you have to start your self talk in a day at least 5 minutes. And guys, that is very important. If you are a beginner, if you did not talk to yourself in an English, can you believe that you directly go to somewhere and you can start talking? No, it is not like that. Just sit one place, and right now what I'm doing, I'm just sitting on my roof on floor. I'm just talking to on the camera, and right now will speak at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. But if you're a beginner, just sit one place. What you have doing, whatever you are doing in a day, just translating that word Hindi to English, whatever is your mother tongue, just try to translate that things in an English and follow these things 30 days and you will see the changes are coming because I'm also doing these things right nowadays. Okay, so what is more important? Self-talk is more important. The second thing is you have to start listening at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes in a day, guys, because I must say that listening is more important. The more you will listen, the more you will get to know this language more. So that's why the people are suggesting you, please listening, watching 30 minutes, 40 days. Why they are recommending you? And right now I am also watching at least 30 minutes in a day. Whenever I have a phone, whenever I have a time to watch TV, I'm just search on English content videos and I just started. Right now I'm watching English web series, so easily I can translate that. So see at least 10 minutes English content. And the third thing is, guys, this is one of the best thing which I just want to tell you. If you are doing self-talk, if you are listening, but you only listen 5 minutes and you only did self-talk only 7 days, so will it work for you? No. You should be consistent about it. If you will be consistent, you will see that changes are coming. Here I am just saying to you, please self-talk to yourself and listen more. At least 10 minutes you have to listen. And right now we have so many things in YouTube. We can listen any podcast, music, web series, TV shows. We have lots of the things to listen. And be consistent about this language. When you will be consistent, easily you can see the changes are coming. Okay, are you getting my point? Consistencies matter a lot. The fourth thing is very important and I can relate these things in my English speaking journey also. I never try to speak advanced language. I never tried. I always try to speak good English, simple English which I can understand, which I can able to understand other also. I always try this. I never use any hyper vocabularies. I never use that and I never learn that. I learn only those vocabulary which I used in daily basis. I only use that. When I will think that okay, now it's time to learn new advanced structures. I have to use these things. I have to use these vocabulary, and now I have to start learning. Then I will learn it. But now I am on the zero. I am a beginner. Right now I have to start from the simple English which I can understand, and you can understand me also. Okay. And the fifth thing is, just summarize your all day, like what you have done in the morning, what you have done in the evening, what you have made, cook, like what you have to cook. Okay, the guests are coming, the birthday are coming, the we have to go for the movie, we have to go somewhere else, like in future we will go and we are deciding to go there. Just sit one place and take one copy and pen, and after then you just start writing. When you are start writing, you will see, okay, you will able to understand that, okay, I don't know the exact meaning of this vocabulary. Directly you will go, when you are writing and you have a phone, you will directly go on the Google. Okay, you will see the, okay, पहुंचने को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में, okay, reach बोलते हैं, and I have to reach there, I will reach there. So if you will writing now, these things will automatically come in your mind that I have to start writing. And here I am always not say that you have to talking to your in your past. We should talk in your past also, we should always focus on the future also, and we always talk in present also, because three things is very important: past, present, future. Okay. So if you have any story, you just sit, you can just take and pen and copy and make writing on it, and it will help you, it will change your mindset. Are you understanding what I am trying to say that? And let's jump to the sixth point. And the sixth point is, challenge to yourself that in a 30 days I will try to speak this language with others. When you will challenge to yourself, when you will say to your, after 30 days I will taking this challenge, I will speak to you, I will message you, Neetu, that I want to make a conversations video with you. That motivates you, because I took 30 days challenge. I start self-talking, I listen a lot, I'm using very simple English, I am making stories also, and right now I'm focusing on my vocabulary also. So right now I'm complete. Now I just want to convey my message to other in an English, because I know I am master in my own language, but now I want to master in an English. So I will take challenge. This is my challenge. After 30 days I will comes to your channel and I will send you message in comment box that I want to do one conversations video with you. So you have to take this challenge, and this video will help you. And 7 rule is, seriously you want to learn this language, if you watch my full video, now tell me one thing, why do you want to learn this language? Here I am asking very simple question, that why are you learning this language? It is your it is your passion to speak in English, it is your need, you want to work in foreigners, that's why you are learning this language. If you are preparing for any civil exams, that's why you are learning this language. Anything. And if you are a housewife like me, in future you have to attend their PTMs, that's why you are learning this language. Your passion is more important. When you have passion to learn this language, then you can learn this. Otherwise, always you will make excuse that tomorrow I will learn this language, tomorrow I will reach there, and tomorrow I will do that. Every time you have so many excuses if you don't have any passion. If you have a passion, just comment me, ma'am, then I comes to you in 30 days, and after that I will follow your tips, whatever you like. You can take only 1 or 2 habits. I am very happy with that. because what I have done, I just told you everything, these things I have did in my speaking journey, and that's how you can improve your English speaking journey. If you are happy, if you want to, if you have passion to learn this language, just write only simple things. I can do that, I will do that, I will learn this language, and I will message you after 30 days that I want to make conversations video with you, and I will respond you. Here I am not saying that I will not respond you, I will respond you if you will message me. If you have a desire to learn this language, just go for it.